Hey everyone, Sula here from Misty Hilltops Designs. Thanks for stopping by. I started working on a new winter album, which is a 4x6 mini album kind of album. And this time the binding will be where I have, they will just flip open. So there will be a ribbon that I will tie through. So there seems to be a big gap. This is, for me, is actually a challenge to work this way. Between the two pages, but once the book actually when the book comes together, it will be a smaller gap than any ring bound book that I have. So for now I have to really get used to that big gap between the two pages, but they will lie on top of each other and the holes will align with each other, and so then the designs will actually be very close. So anyways, I am starting with some paper strips that go across the two pages. And so again, this is, for me, is the challenge. So I'm trying to make sure that they align in the right place, because when the book gets bound together, they will be close. And if I just eyeball it, I don't want it to just not be aligned to each other. So also, as usual with this type of scrapbooking project, I always run a card around the edges of my papers, except for the circles. I use my dies, my circle dies for the circles, and they come with a nice, they pop a little bit off the page. But any other straight strip of paper or piece of paper, I roughen up the edges, and that ensures that there is nice contrast. And then I have all these little embellishment pieces. I'm actually using the collection, the digital version of the collection Hello Winter by Carta Bella, which is a very beautiful, I think looks like it's a Christmas, but it is a winter themed collection, and I really like it. So when there recently was a sale, I got this collection with a bunch of others, and it makes me really happy to work with it. So then I have, again, a lot of the embellishments come from this collection, but I also created another set of winter word strips. I added some more words and other things to it. I'll be sharing some of those word strips as freebies this winter with you. So if you are interested, you can visit my blog, mistyhilltops.com, and you will find a whole bunch of freebies there on the site already. And part of the freebie will be those word strips. Anyways, the last thing I am going to do is to stamp the title. And so here I am preparing and putting the words there, and it'll go on that little strip above the strip of paper there. So I'm using just two different stamps from two different stamp sets, and that will make my title, and then that will be the page. I am going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.